internet. So today I have a new unboxing video for you. It's a little bit worse for wear. As you can see, my box kind of got crushed, but I've been really keen to try out new stationery subscription boxes, and this one came up as one of the recommendations, so I ordered one box just to give it a shot to see what it would be like. So I just wanted to apologize for not uploading a video on Saturday. I try to upload on Tuesday and Saturday every week Australian time, but last week I was unexpectedly sent to Perth for work, so I just didn't have enough time to do any filming or editing or anything like that. And then on the weekend I actually had to do some work as well, so it's just really been hectic, and I kind of knew this was going to happen when I went back to work. It's just the nature of the job. So I'm going to try and be a little bit more on top of everything and be prepared for moments like this, but yeah, it may happen again in the future. But anyways, let's just get right into the unboxing. So, alright, there we go. I'm going to do the same thing that I do for Zenpop Box, just zoom you guys out a little bit so you can see. So, you get this little card. It's a Valentine's Day themed box, and it tells you everything you get. Okay, cool. So there's definitely some stationery stuff, stickers, highlighters, but there's also like chocolates, so I don't know, might be a really good box. So I'm just trying to figure out the best, I'm going to do it this way. I think it's a bit easier to see that way. Okay, so first up are Petite Rinka chocolates. Oh, that's so cute. I don't think I've tried this brand before, but it's just basically a bunch of cute heart-shaped chocolates. And we've got a little plushie for your phone. He's very cute, and he's so soft and squishy. Then we have an avocado. That is so random. I'll get him out of the bag. Yeah, he's an avocado that definitely I think has seen better days. He seems a little bit mangled. We can clean him up a little bit. Now I'm just ripping paint off. But yeah, it's just a little like squishy avocado. This is so random. I don't know how long he would last sitting on a backpack or anything. I just feel like he's very fragile, so he might like die pretty quick. But it is cute, and now I can't stop squishing him. It's just so like therapeutic. Alright, put that aside. We have, is this socks? Oh, it's a pair of socks. How cute. Fluffy socks. Okay, to me, these are definitely like either socks with boots or socks at home. They're like a little more than ankle, just a little over the ankle. They look it's really soft, and it feels like it's going to be really comfortable. Cool, now we've got some stationery. So these are highlighters. I'm not really sure what brand they are. The thing says Blimpo brand, so it's like the same series as this guy, but they're so little. Might try these out after at the end so you guys can see what they're like. Then we have some washi tape. Monday washi tape. Oh, okay. I think it's like days of the week with a little bear face on them. Let me just open this up. Basically, it's just a washi tape with like all the days of the week on them, and in between each day is a little face of the bear. Then we have some sticky notes. I think this is from, is this Sanex? Yeah, this is from the Sanex line. So cute, they're like in a little teacup together. Yeah, this is really cute. We have a little pen of, I think it's like a corgi pen. He looks like a corgi. I'm pretty sure this is just a black gel pen. And it's definitely more just for fun, because for me, this is going to be hard to write comfortably for long periods, because this guy is actually kind of heavy, so he kind of weighs the pen down backwards, but I'll give it a shot with the highlighters. And this is just a bunch of glitter sparkles. Not really sure what I'm going to use this for, but it is very cute. I wonder if I could give this to my niece. I think she might actually enjoy this. She could use it for a lot of like crafting and stuff that she does. And then we have stickers. Oh, little doggy stickers. Okay, these are all on transparent. If I take them, I'm not going to take them out because I'm not going to use them straight away, but it's all on like a clear backing. And that's it. Cool. Alright, so I'm going to clean all this up, and then we're going to try out those highlighters and pen. Alright, so I'm going to try out the pen first, this little corgi pen. Oh, I will say it writes really smooth though. It's a really, really nice ink. There's no skipping. I wish there was a way I could take the corgi off, because he's cute, but he makes this pen uncomfortable to use. But he is definitely glued on. I don't know if you can see. I can't. Yeah, that's his butt. But there's like no way I can get him off. So that's a bit unfortunate, because it's actually a really good pen, but it'd be better without the corgi. Then we're going to try out these little highlighters. These are definitely super cute, but I can tell they're already not going to be functional for me because they're so small. And for me, it's just not going to be comfortable. But I'm going to test them out anyways. Okay. Okay, cool. So, as you saw, the purple seems a little bit dry, which is a bit odd to me. I don't know why everything else is so saturated except the purple. These are okay highlighters to me. Like, they're cute. They're, like, cute and gimmicky, but I feel like this doesn't look like this. Like, this is, like, fluorescent orange, but this kind of looks like a beautiful pink peach color, and that's kind of what I was expecting when I was swatching this. Same for this green. So this kind of looks like a sea green color, which would look so nice as a highlighter, but it came out looking very fluorescent green. So I kind of feel like there was some missed opportunities to make this really cool. This would have been amazing as like a pastel purple instead of such a deep purple. So I don't know. I'm sure these are like not the most like quality of highlighters anyways. They're probably more for like kids or just like a gimmicky thing, so I can't be too critical of it. So anyways, that's the entire Kawaii box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I don't think I'm gonna buy this box again. It's a nice box, it's cute, like super cute, but I'm much more of a stationery person. I really want to invest more in like good quality pens and paper and all that sort of stuff, and as cute as things like this are, there's only so many you can have before it just becomes a bit of a problem that you've just got too many of them. So anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video useful. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't want to miss any of my future videos, then be sure to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to internet.